In a tense confrontation outside a convenience store, a man finds himself detained by police after allegedly causing a disturbance. The situation escalates quickly, revealing both the frustrations of the individual involved and the authority of law enforcement.
That's fine.
The video opens with the man questioning why he is being arrested, insisting he was simply trying to purchase a drink, as the officers attempt to explain that he is being trespassed from the store for being a nuisance.
Man, listen, you can go inside the store.
Man, boss, man,
they don't want people hanging out here. That's fine.
You gonna nationalize my citizen law?
I don't even know what that means, man.
Man, fuck what you talking about.
What are you asking me, man?
Man, boss, man, I got money. I can spend my money.
Beautiful. Spend it.
Come on, man. I got more money.
Spend it, man. You want to go to jail for that?
Yeah. Fucked up, man.
You want to go to jail for that?
I can spend my money, man.
You want to go to jail?
No. Man, boss, man, you ain't doing that wrong.
Why are you drinking a beer inside the store?
That man ain't getting nothing wrong.
Shut your mouth.
Boss, man, you ain't getting nothing wrong.
Shut your mouth.
You ain't. Boss, man, you ain't did nothing wrong.
I'm going by what he say.
What you going by what he say? He don't do that, but he gotta make a law.
Throw this away.
Boss, man, you gonna listen to him? Crazy as fuck, man. Let me get my sodas. Man. Let me buy me another soda. What's up? You got another law.
You what?
I don't need that.
Suck a nigga dick.
You what?
Yeah, he just told me out there drinking beer.
That's fine.
The man argues, claiming his right to spend his money and questioning the reasoning behind his detainment. He expresses his frustration with remarks like, "I don't give a expletive what you say," showcasing his defiance and anger towards the situation.
All right, man. Bro, you can't stand right here, man. He just said he doesn't want you in the store. He just said he does not want you in the store.
Where am I illegal?
Do you have your ID? Do you have your ID on you?
Man, boss, man, I ain't gotta have ID, boss.
Okay, I'm asking you what your name
Boss,
is.
man, I don't have to have ID, boss.
I'm asking you
what am I
your
doing
name is.
wrong? What am I doing wrong?
You're being trespassed from this store.
Where am I being trespassed?
Because he does not want you in the store.
He told you that?
He just told you that.
Hey, boss, man,
He told you, look, partner, listen. Ayo. Come here. Listen up real quick, man. Listen up real quick. Listen up.
So you put me in handcuffs because I couldn't buy a can of Vienna
You're being
sausages?
detained right now.
So I'm being detained because I couldn't get a can of Vienna sausages?
Yeah.
It's not about the can of Vienna sausage, bro. You know that.
Bro, what I'm being detained for? Listen, dude.
If you want to talk like a man, then let's talk like a man. If you want to show your ass and be cursing at people and acting up. I'm not your homie, man. I'm not your homie.
You ain't my dog. I don't give a fuck.
That's for sure.
Man, boss man, hey,
Do you
listen,
have
boss
ID
man,
on
I don't give a fuck.
Do you have ID on
Boss
you?
man, I live here. I don't give a fuck, boss. I don't give a fuck. I live here. I don't give no fuck what you talking about, boss. No fuck what you talking about, nigga. Fuck wrong with you, boss? I don't give a fuck what you said.
Are you done?
Man, listen, man, listen.
Are you done?
So I'm going to jail for being a
Are you done?
Nobody said you going to jail.
So why I'm being
Are you done?
detained?
Because you acting out.
Why I'm being detained?
Look how you acting. Boss, I need you to listen.
Hey, so I'm being detained for being a sausage?
You need to change how you acting, bro.
Man, listen, man, you gonna take me to jail or you ain't?
Do you have ID on you?
You gonna take me to jail or you ain't? I got money to pay for what I bought.
Are you refusing to
I got money to pay for what I bought.
Are you refusing
Big
to
dog.
give me your ID?
I got money to pay for what I bought. I got money to pay for what I bought. The fuck? I got money to pay for what I bought. The fuck? What I'm going to jail for? I'm going to jail for what I paid for what I bought. I'm paying for what I bought. The fuck? Yo, ain't nothing. Nothing. Keep searching. Nothing.
Relax.
No, you relax. Fuck, nigga.
Relax.
Fuck. Puss ass cracker, get your ass off me, nigga.
You ain't handcuffs, that's how you acting.
Man, listen, man, puss ass nigga. I'm in the store buying Vienna sausages.
That's how you acting, bro.
Listen,
Hold on.
your white ass, Tony Striker ass
I'm not
homeboy.
yelling at you, so stop yelling.
All right, well,
We
look,
can
I'm
talk
gonna tell you
about
like
you,
this.
though. Listen to me.
This man come grab me out of the stove,
I need you to listen to me.
bruh.
The reason why you got your store is
Wait,
because
no, listen. You're in Save-A-Lot. You buying a pack of pop. And this nigga come grab you.
If the store owner's calling saying they don't want you in the store,
But that man, and then we're alone.
listen here, bro. How you think we got out with you earlier?
Man, boss man.
Because he called.
The officers calmly explained that they had received complaints about his behavior, leading to a previous warning from the store management. Despite their attempts to de-escalate the situation, the man continues to assert that he has not done anything wrong.
I need you to listen. I need you to listen now. I heard what you said. Did you hear me? That's the reason why we made contact.
Search your ass off.
You're under arrest.
I'm under arrest.
Yep.
Bro, you listen?
Under arrest for what?
Trespass after warning.
Trespass out the warning.
Are you listening? I'm trying to explain it to you.
I'm under arrest.
I'm trying to explain it to you. That's the reason why we got out with you earlier. Because he called, said he didn't want you in the store because he was causing disturbance. Obviously, we made contact with you. You listening, bro? We made contact with you. You was cool. You wasn't tripping. Then we come back. You at the same store. Listen to me. You at the same store. He doesn't want you.
He don't say shit.
Of course he ain't gonna say it. He's just gonna call it.
I'm spending money. That's a problem.
But if he don't want you in the store, it doesn't matter what type of money you're trying to spend. He don't want you in the store.
Man, though, like on some real shit though, my dog, like, you know, he been drinking since last night, his birthday weekend, you feel me? He was intoxicated.
All right, boy.
You feel me?
Fact of the matter is, we came out here once with him, and he said he was leaving, he was gonna be cool. Then he came back, still starting the same problem. We gave chances, but
Yeah, but
it
you
is
know how
what
it
it
is when
is.
you're intoxicated, fam.
I get it, but
feel me?
he can't keep causing problems. So
Somebody called or something?
yeah, they called it. We ain't just show up here. They calling us for it. Yeah,
He getting locked up for it?
that's what I'm being told. I just got here. I don't know.
Yeah, he had a little bit too much to drink.
Talk to your colleagues, bro. They ain't nothing but a pack of leaves. They ain't nothing but a pack of leaves.
Slide down this one. Slide down this one. Just slide down right here, man. Slide down right here.
Oh, ass shit.
Bro, listen. Slide down right here.
Yeah, bro, listen, bro.
Slide down right here.
Check a nigga background. Check a nigga background.
Listen, man.
Y'all nigga act like real bitches.
Okay, well, it didn't have to come to this.
Real nigga shit, bro.
You've been out here all morning.
Hey, man,
showing your
big
ass.
dog, man, talk to your colleagues, bro. This your boss? Man. I was just trying to talk to you. Man, you ain't, bro. Hey, hi, bro.
Relax.
How the fuck? Man, come on, man. I ain't tripping, man.
Let's go. Yep.
Oh, look how you acting.
Bro, he's been out here all morning showing his ass.
When the fuck you sent me out here all morning?
He's going to jail. Okay. Well, he's gonna go to jail now. That's what happens when you don't listen. Hey, you guys can roll, man. They don't want people hanging out there. There's no trespassing signs up there for a reason. Thank you.
Is you the officer that's arresting me?
Yep. Patterson.
Patterson.
Yep.
You gonna be the bitch to take me in.
Yep.
So tell your homeboy get the fuck off of me. I make that bit hard for all of us.
Relax. Relax.
Man, hell no, I make that bit hard for all of us. I make that bit hard for all of us. I gotta go in on my birthday weekend. Fuck nigga, I make it hard for all of us. Bro, stop let man, listen, bro, I don't give a fuck about you. You ain't my dog. Fuck, you taking me to jail for me doing what?
Relax.
Come on, bro, y'all sound green as fuck, bro.
You're just making it worse.
How I'm making it worse? I ain't do nothing.
Well, all you had to do was leave.
Bro, listen, I didn't do nothing.
That's all you had to do is leave.
Bro, listen, bro, what the fuck did I do?
You initially left, and then you want to come back, and you want to,
Bro, I bought product out the
He
store.
said you were stealing from the store. That's why he didn't want you there, and that's the reason why you got.
I was stealing from the store.
Jump in, bro.
Hey, bald head. They say I was stealing from the store.
Jump in, man.
Bald head.
Listen,
Bro, they say I was stealing from the store.
bro.
Throughout the interaction, the man becomes increasingly agitated, yelling and insisting he should be allowed to leave. His claims of being simply out for a good time on his birthday weekend contrast sharply with the reality of the encounter as it unfolds. He emphasizes that he was just trying to buy a pack of sodas, but the officers maintain their stance, explaining that repeated warnings have led to this moment.
You hear me, D? Hey, listen, boss. You're not finna force me in no car, bro.
Look
Bro, listen, bro, you got me fucked up, bro.
Look around.
No, bro.
You're very strong, right?
Bro,
You're very strong.
I was stealing from the store.
Hey, you're very strong.
That man just said I was stealing from the store.
But guess
Why I'm being arrested?
Guess who's strong?
Why am I being arrested?
5 guys, bro.
Why am I being arrested?
Get inside the car.
No, D.
Trespass after warning. I
D.
just told you that.
Why am I...
Have a seat. Have a seat. Get your legs inside the car, man.
Bro, what am I being arrested for?
I just told you, trespass after warning. Get
Trespass out the warning. What was the warning?
Get your legs inside.
What was the warning? What was the warning?
Inside the car.
What was the warning? What was the warning? What was the warning? What was the warning? So, okay, so this how y'all do people after trespass after warning?
Bro, we're giving you plenty of opportunity.
Man, listen.
As the confrontation continues, the man's frustration reaches a boiling point. He makes it clear that he feels targeted and unfairly treated, calling the officers derogatory names in the heat of the moment. The officers remain firm but professional, attempting to convey the seriousness of the situation while explaining that they are merely enforcing the store's request for him to leave.
I put my camera in the back.
Oh, you did?
My damn door. You better stop kicking my damn door. Listen, fuck, nigga, you got me fucked up.
Bro, you need to calm down. Put him in the seat.
Y'all got me fucked up, boy.
Turn him around. Turn him around. Put him in the
Listen,
seat.
my mama, boy, y'all got me fucked up, boy.
Put your legs
Boy,
over
y'all
here.
got me fucked up.
Put your legs
boy.
over here.
Boy, y'all got me fucked up, boy.
Hey, we got the
Boy, y'all
seatbelt
got
him
me
in.
fucked up, boy. Man, boy, y'all got me fucked up, boy. Fuck wrong with y'all, nigga. Y'all got me fucked up. Look at me, boy. Fucked up, nigga.
Bro, you need to calm
Man,
down.
y'all got me fucked up, nigga.
You need to calm down.
Man, y'all got me fucked up, bro. Your pussy
could've
ass
been
crackers
home
ain't gonna put
already.
their hands on me, bro.
That's how you act,
Fuck,
bro.
nigga, you letting them do me any kind of way.
Bro, look how
Bro, you
you
letting
act.
them do me any kind of way.
What I'm letting
Man,
you
bro,
do.
you letting them do me any kind of way, Miss Nikki.
All right, so
Miss Nikki.
nah, we finna have this conversation
Man,
like
Miss
men.
Nikki.
We gonna do this like men.
Man, bro, y'all got me fucked up. Miss
gonna
Nikki,
do
bro,
this
they
like
doing me any kind of way back here, bro.
Ain't nobody doing you no type of
Miss
way.
Nikki, bro, they doing me
He not
any
doing
kind of way.
He's not doing that. He don't want to listen. So here's why he's going to jail, because of how he's acting. And you see he kicking the door and shit?
Stop.
All this could have been avoided. He could have walked off and went home.
Stop,
This is his
man.
doing.
Stop doing that.
You don't,
Stop.
ma'am, you don't have to tell him nothing. 'Cause we already tried to talk to
I
him.
know it's
He don't
bad.
want to listen.
I know I'm wrong.
In the door.
Chill out.
Now you gotta go on the
Man,
streets because how you acting.
fucked up. Fuck what y'all talking about, nigga.
Or you can chill
Y'all
out.
got me fucked up.
Or you can chill out.
Fuck what y'all talking about, nigga.
CAD that we're going to be
Y'all got me
hobbling
fucked up, nigga. Fuck, man, y'all got me fucked up. Fuck, nigga, I take this bitch the fuck out the frame, nigga. Fuck wrong with you, nigga. Man, y'all got me fucked up, nigga.
Problem.
Man, what that pussy ass crackhead that tried to choke me, bro?
Who tried to choke you?
Man, this cracker right here.
You tried
Yeah,
to
you.
What?
Do it.
Do what?
Do it.
Do what?
Do it.
What, Puck?
Do it.
What?
Do it.
Do what?
Do it.
Man,
Do it.
relax. Come on.
Do it.
Lean back for me.
Do it. Do it.
Lean back for me.
Do it. Do it, pussy ass cracker. Do it.
Stop, bro.
Man, do it. Man, cracker, do it.
Stop.
Man, fuck, nigga.
Stop.
Oh, you got me fucked up, nigga. Man, let my foot go, nigga.
Don't kick him. You will get fucked up. You understand?
Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Get off, bro. Get off the dog.
No, he's kicking my officer. Leave. Leave now.
Just stop it on.
You're supposed to do pull out the door.
Yep, pull out the door.
You have to sit up.
Okay.
Let him sit up, bro.
Bro, I know what I'm doing.
He was charged with resisting an officer and trespassing.